Hello, first let's take a look at my small fry. More than half of them, about two-thirds, are vanished because of a shortcut, electricity shortcut disaster at the middle of the winter of January 2016. And the water temperature went decreased to 12 degrees Celsius, and they were not like this big. They were the biggest of them were half of what you see now, and the small were really small, and all the small amateurs, the small immatures, the small fry died, and only the biggest and the strongest survived, and these are what you see now, and now they are much bigger. Anyway, I'm here about something in electronics. I bought this soldering machine over here, which I succeeded to break somehow. I will tell you in details in a moment. And this is another thing. This is SMD soldering. It's a blower, heat blower. This is the blower itself. It throws heat out of here, so you can desolder small, very small integrated circuits that sit on the board, that are not through hole like this. This is through hole. This needs to have holes, and you stuck it. Now there are others. I will not find it now easily. But there are others here over here that you just put them on the board and you solder them. So to take them out you need this, and to solder them there are some techniques. One of them also with heat gun. So that was this I ordered from eBay, and this I just bought from Tel Aviv where I live, and it was about $100 if you compare it to the shipment from China or from anywhere in the world. It will be much expensive if you order from abroad. Anyway, so I worked with this a little and this gun, and it desoldered quite good. You see, if I press here, now the button was bad. I have to open it and put it this way. There was a plastic button over there. I'm not sure that this is so secure because it's 220 volts and it has metal connector here. I should cover it somehow. Anyway, so it was hard to press. You need to open it to fix it, and then I throw it away and just put the switch like this here. And while I'm doing so, from the last time, the hose over here that suck from this, it's 350 degrees. From this tip, from this nozzle, it sucks the tin, which I will demonstrate in a moment. And it was clogged, and I opened it and I wanted to connect it back, and there was a tube out of glass over here. This tube accumulates all the tin that is sucked from the board, and once in a while, after like 2-3 hours of work, you have to empty it and empty the cotton inside. There is a cotton. So when I worked on it, I put the tube glass on the table, and I don't know what I did, and it rolled through the table and fell on the ground, on the floor, and broke. If it was made of PVC, it wouldn't have broken, but from glass it broke to pieces, and I cannot find the spare parts to this machine. So I tried a month ago to search for a certain hose that will fit from this position this is the other side of the gun, the soldering gun, and something that will fit, and the closest thing I found to the diameter inside 18 3/4 of an inch was this 18 millimeter hose, and I found out that it's too thick and it cannot sit at the place where it should be held on both sides. It should stuck here. No, you see it's too big. Okay, one side here, and I guess I found something better than this. I'm not sure if that was the closest one, because it looks too big also. But on this side there is a rubber, and it fit exactly, and that's the whole diameter is the same. So there was a rubber, white rubber, holding this exit, and then you put on both sides the hose and it should hold. And on this side it was exactly the size, but the thickness was wrong. At the end I made some fixing at my cleaning at my boxes and arranging stuff, and I found this hand sucker which I bought many like 4 years ago. This is a Chinese hand sucker, which is, you know, for its price and for its simplicity, it's good. But it has one big caveat, one big problem. The problem is, once you need 4 hands, like one to hit the leg of the item, or the one of the items that you want to take away, and the other hand would suck with this. It has, you see, this is the tip. You have to suck the tin with this, but from one side you have to hit it, and the other side you have to suck the tin. It cannot do the same, and it's not all the time optional to hit from one side and suck from the other side. Sometimes you don't have access to both sides of the board. So what this has to offer is it hits on the same place where it sucks the tin. This is where it hits, and this place is where it sucks the tin, and that's the innovation. And it's automatic, but that's not the big problem. The problem is that of the manual stuff is that once you hit it and then you go fast enough to suck the tin, it passes 1 second and it starts to being cold, and it's not liquid anymore, and it doesn't do the job correctly, and I cannot use it. So what I found is that, just a minute, I will locate this camera over here, and if I connect this one through, just a minute, I will put the rubber over here, and this over here. You see, now I'm holding it in my hand, and then you see this black box is a relay, and it's holding. So I just, let's say, now the other point over here, other stuff went out, and this, I don't know if I found all the legs. Maybe this is one of the legs over here. Maybe this one, it's not clean enough. And this is with me trying to focus with the camera. And over here, and over here again, and there you have it. The item is outside very easily. I will do another easy one. This is a big that was a very big resistor, I think 5 watt. And you see it's out. So generally it's quite a good machine, but you have to tweak it a little to let it work, to work fluently. Thank you for watching.